Hello everyone, welcome to interviewbuddies.com. In today's video, we are going to talk about Pandas, which is an open source data manipulation library for Python. It provides data structures and functions which are needed to work seamlessly with structured data. The data which is particularly in the format of, in the tabular format like your CSV files or the data from SQL databases. So let's get started. On my screen, I have this workbook open. In the first cell, very first cell, I'm saying that pip install pandas. I have already installed it. Second cell has the data which I'm going to play with. The third cell is importing the pandas SPD. So the manipulation part starts here. I'm reading the CSV file into a pandas data frame. So data frames are your two-dimensional, or in the matrix format, you can think about like a data frame. A data frame is a two-dimensional tabular data structure within the pandas library. It is the very primary, or it is one of the primary data structures in Python. It is similar to a table in a relational database or a spreadsheet. So here I'm saying that read that CSV file and then display the first few rows of the database of the data frame. So df.head. So this function will print first few rows of any data frame, and it is useful when you have a very large data frame or the data coming from CSV and you want to see like what the first few rows of that data looks like. So you can just call that function. So if I run this, it will give 4 or 5 rows here printed in the tabular format. So you can see how the data frame looks like. The next cell has the very basic statistics. What it means, like this describe function will tell you the stats about this data, like standard deviation, mean, median, these kind of things. So if I run this, you can see that for this age, like on the numerical data, it ran these. The age count is this, salary is this, mean, and max. So this kind of data can be stats can be found using this describe function. The next cell has your we are saying that within the data frame, group by city, and after that, for that salary, calculate the average of that salary. So after running this, it will give you the average salary by city. So you see that for every city, let's say Chicago, the average salary is 85,000. For LA, it's 62,500, and so on. So, and in the end, it says that the salary data type is float, which you can see is decimal. So what is happening here? The group by function is grouping the data as you do in the SQL, and then we are saying that for this salary column, give me the mean or average. So that's like kind of very a very handy function, you can say. Okay, the next is you want to find the maximum age within the data frame. So if you scroll up in this describe function, the stats, when we calculated the stats, it said that the maximum age is 45. So it should print 45 here. So max age is 45. And then in this in the last cell, we are saying that filter the data frame with people having age greater than 30. So it filters that out and prints that data frame or the data. So as you can see on the screen. So in short, like data frame is very helpful and very handy if you want to do data analysis or data manipulation part of it. It's very powerful, flexible, and it has a lot of functions for handling wide variety of data sets. So that's for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe button. Thank you.